first this. Whether you call them lightning bugs or fireflies, their glow is certainly a welcome sight for so many this time of year, but we do look at why we only see them during the summer months now.
And that's why WCNC Charlotte's meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees explains to us why the timing of their trademark glow is now around and when you're most likely to actually see them out.
Lightning bugs thrive in the Carolinas and the rest of the Southeast because they like warm and humid climates with plenty of water sources. But when we see them light up, they're actually at the end of their life cycle.
So what we're seeing when the lightning bugs are flying around in these summer months is really the grand finale of their life cycle. This is when they're trying to find a mate, and essentially their flashes are like their mating dance.
Corey Davis, the assistant climatologist for the state of North Carolina, says lightning bugs take a cue on when to come out from soil temperatures. They typically emerge in early June, largely depending on temperatures and precipitation habits during spring months. Davis also says lightning bugs only live above the ground for about 3 to 4 weeks, so the best time to see them is now, especially since the species isn't thriving like it used to.
One of those is development and encroaching on their habitats, and the other is light pollution. Of course, these are species that are using their light to try to attract mates. I mean, there's lots of bright city lights and neighborhood lights around. That makes it a little bit tougher for them to get the message between each other.
If you don't notice their light shows as much as when you were a kid, you're not alone. According to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, light pollution has interfered with their mating abilities, and habitat loss has reduced the food and space available. Both have lowered population growth. Pesticide exposure can also disrupt their metabolism and development. Climate change also adds stress through drought impacts and sea level rise. Scientists are working on more research to help populations from dwindling, but there are 3 main things you can do to try to increase the number of lightning bugs in your backyard. Turn off your outdoor lights, let your grass grow longer, and add a water feature such as a pond. For WCNC Charlotte, I'm meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees.